So all of you listen carefully. Okay, I already intimated you people related with the class tests. Okay, tomorrow we are going to conduct 2 tests there. One is for geography, other is for history, right? Geography, the chapter for the test is agriculture, right? The 4th chapter, agriculture, clear? And for history, okay, yesterday we marked it, last class we marked it, okay? The new conservatism, okay, in the year 1815, up to that you should learn, right? New conservatism of 1815, up to that you should learn. It is only 20% of that particular chapter, nationalism in Europe. So learn that well. Okay, so already uploaded the notes for geography. History already marked in the textbook, and questions also wrote there, right? Right? Okay, I am not going to upload any notes for that. So read the textbook thoroughly. I already told you that there are chances are there for number 1 mark answers. So please read the textbook thoroughly. Questions already written there. So please read that, learn that. Okay, then only you are able to write that test there. Okay, is that clear, Emerin? 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 Yes. Okay, so we'll start the session now. Yesterday we discussed about the functions of a political party, right? Functions of a political party. Then tell me what are the functions of a political party, Miss Adulya. Miss Adulya. Adulya VS.
Yes, sir.
Adulya VS Tensi. Miss Adulya versus Tensi.
Yes, sir. Parties put forward different programs and policies. Parties contest election.
First function, what is that? Parties, they contest in election. Okay, first function. Second function?
Parties put forward different programs.
Parties will formulate different plans and programs. Okay, fine. Third point?
Parties play a role in making laws for a country.
Parties will create laws for the country. Okay, got it. Then?
Parties form and run governments.
Parties will run the government. Okay.
Those parties that lose in elections play the role of opposition.
Okay. So parties will act as opposition. Okay.
Parties shape public opinion.
Okay. Parties will shape the public opinion. Okay. Or public opinions. Clear? So these are the functions of a political party. Important question for the examination. What are the functions of a political party? Explain. Okay. Or individually also ask for 3 mark, right? Clear or not? How the parties are shape the public opinion. Okay. Write a brief short note or a brief that. Like that questions also will come there. So functions of the political parties will ask individually or independently, and all together what are the functions of a political party for 5 mark. Clear? Clear? So number of questions are there from that area. Please mark that. Please write the question. Is that clear, Miss Revu? Miss Revu?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Alisha Shaji, Saeed, Delvin, Fagad, Aaron. Listen, people. Please turn on your camera. What is your trouble? You are not participating in the Miss World contest or Mr. India contest or something like that. Okay. Please turn on your cameras. I am not going to give mark for your appearance or attire or something like that. Okay, clear or not? Some cloth we want, that only, nothing more than that. Okay, understand? Please turn on your cameras, all of you. Hello, maybe you are from the bed. Okay, just now woke up. I know all those things there. Have a face wash and attend the class. Please turn on your camera. Some people are there. Something will be there on the both side of the mouth. Okay, they cannot open the eyes there. Okay, like that they will come directly from the bed. Okay. So you know that advertisements are there for toothpaste advertisements. So that people are coming from the bed like what you can say. So it is advertisements basically, right? Okay. They are always looking fresh from the bed also. But how you people are coming from the bed? An idea? An idea there? Both sides something will be there. Okay, I cannot open the eye. The total hair will be like that one. So that's a reality. Everyone knows that. There is nothing to hide. Clear or not? Each and every individual is like that only. Understand? So we have 2 phases. One is inside the home, other is outside the home. Right? For example, I can say that some guest, for example, some guest came to your house there. Just imagine there. Okay, your father or your mother will serve them snacks there, right, or along with the tea or something like that. So guest might invite you people to have from the same plate. Okay, take the food from the same plate there. But you said no, no, I don't want. I don't want. Okay, when the guest just went out of the compound, what will happen next? What will happen next? That's it. Okay. So if you are going to some relatives house also, if they are providing snacks for you, you say no need, or else you will take a single biscuit and will simply you bite it and will keep it back there. What about the thing? Same thing in your house. You will dip that in the what is that teacup and stir it. Will add sugar in that. Okay, like that. Various activities are there. So we have two phases, right or not? One is in the home, other is in the public, right or not? So everyone know that. Okay, there's nothing to hide. So please turn on your cameras. Okay, nothing what we can say, especially in that. So boys, we know that. So we what kind of dress we will wear in home there. Okay, maybe stitch is not there in the some places. Okay, we won't bother about that. We'll go outside like that. Never. Okay, so something like that. So please turn on your cameras. Nothing to hide, guys. Okay, be genuine. Okay, so come back. So Sahid Siddiq is thinking something seriously. What man? What happened? You're sending a rocket to moon or somewhere? So serious?
No, sir. No, sir.
What is going on? Some calculations are there? Sahid?
No, sir.
No. Okay, let it be. Agna Andrew is here today. That's what morning onwards, heavy rainfall, thunder, storm and everything. Okay, Agna is present. Okay, congratulations Agna. Okay. Anyway, she's present today. Okay, so Sean also turned on his camera, so no chance. Heavy rainfall will be there. Okay, so beware of thunder. Okay, come on, everyone, come back to the textbook. Okay, so we discussed about the functions of a political party. Okay, now necessity of a political party in a democracy. Clear? What is the importance of a political party? Can anyone tell me? So functions, we studied that. Okay, comparing with the functions, how can we develop this idea, the necessity of a political party? Is it necessary or not? Do you want political parties or not? What is your answer?
It is neither.
It is necessary. We want that, definitely. Okay, then why it is necessary? And what is the necessity of a political party? Pisan? Pisan, can you say something? Pisan? What is that? Any answers? Sorry, Carlos will say that we want the kit, so we want political party. Kit from the ration shop, right? No, not like that. So number of other necessities are there basically. So come back to the textbook. So this list of function in essence answer the question asked above. So this is the necessity. What? These functions. To fulfill these functions, okay, to attain these things, we need political parties. Okay, clear or not? It is very important. Political parties are too important. For what? Okay, to get access to the government machinery and welfare schemes. Okay, to form and run the government, act as opposition, shape public opinion and standing with the side of the people. Clear or not? Okay, like that various functions are there for the political party. All those functions are basically termed as the necessities also. We need political parties because they perform all these functions. Answer. Okay, we need political parties because they are performing all these 7 functions. 7 functions. Okay, but we still need to ask why modern democracies cannot exist without political parties. Again, a question is there. Okay, in a democracy, we need a political party. There is no existence for a democracy without political parties. Clear? We cannot exercise or we cannot enjoy democracy without political parties, right? Yes or no? So, political party means nothing but a group of people, and we are the people, right or not? So, without the people, there is no democracy, right? Right? So, democracy means it is a people government, clear or not? The political party means a group of people, which means It is very important. What is important? A political party is necessary in a democratic setup because it is a people's government. People's government, right? Yes or no? Is that clear or not? So what is the definition or what is the meaning of a political party? It's a group of people, okay, joined together to contest in elections and run the government. Clear? That's what a political party. So what is democracy? It is people's rule. Okay, or rule of the people. So we want political parties. Correct, Sriram? Sriram. Sriram is sitting like some people will sit near the ponds there, okay, with a fishing hook. Like that, he is sitting keenly observing the mirror there. What is going on, Sriram? Split screen? Or watching any movies? No.
No, sir, measuring.
Hearing.
Measuring.
Shivering. Fearing. What is that? Or marriage ring? No, shivering. Okay. Listening. Hearing. Okay. Let it be. Okay. Fine. So come back. Okay, so we can understand the necessity of political parties by imagining a situation without a party. So this imaginary situation, there is no political party, okay, in a democracy. There is no political party in a democracy. Who will contest election? Okay, for whom we will give our support? Okay, for example, individuals are participating in elections. Individual candidates are there, independent candidates. There is no policy and program for them, right? Clear or not? There is no policy, there is no program for them. But they will say something, but there is no common identity for such kind of people there. So we are unable to believe such kind of people up to an extent. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. So it is important. What is important? The political parties are important. Okay. They are responsible to the people. We can understand that necessity of political parties by imagining situation without parties. Every candidate in the election will be independent. So no one will be able to make any promises to the people about any major policy changes. Clear? So if all the candidates are independent candidates means for them there is no policy, there is no programs. Okay. They are independent and they are not responsible to the people also. The government may be formed, but its utility will remain ever uncertain. Okay. Uncertain in the sense they are individuals. Anytime they will jump from one place to another. Okay, clear or not? Political parties also they are doing that, but the individual independent candidate means what will happen there? We cannot say that what is going to happen in the future. No idea about them. Okay, sometimes they will resign, sometimes they will not give the support for the government. So there is no government, literally speaking. So there is no government. But the political parties are not like that. Okay, they have to protect their pride, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? So always they will do something for the benefit of the people, or else they will not survive in the next election. Clear? Clear? So they are responsible to the people. Okay. Individual candidates or independent candidates are not like that. They are not responsible to the people. Okay. Elected representatives will be accountable to their constituency for what they do in the locality, but no one will be responsible for how the country will be run. Clear? Okay. So independent candidates means the candidate may do something in his constituency, in his area, but he is not aware about the development of the country, or he will not give any importance for the development of the state or the country. Okay, so that problem also existing. Okay, so political parties are necessary. Okay, clear? We can also think about it by looking at the non-party based election to the panchayat in many states. Although the parties do not contest formally, it is generally noticed that the village gets split into more and more faction, each of which put up a panel of its candidates. This is exactly what the party does. That is the reason we find political parties in almost all the countries of the world, whether the countries are big or small, old or new, developed or developing. Clear? So in panchayat election, basically political parties are not that much interested to keep the candidates. They will choose the people, okay, those who have more support in the locality. Clear or not? Clear or not? For example, in one area, one particular family and the family members are more in number, the political party will choose the candidate from that particular family, okay, to get votes of that family, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, that's it. So, in local election, these political parties will not keep that much interest. Basically, they will choose the people from that particular locality with good support. Good support. Clear or not? Okay. Clear? That idea clear or not? Okay. Okay, this rise of political parties is directly linked to the emergence of representative democracy. As we have seen, large societies need a representative democracy. As societies become large and complex, they also needed some agency to gather in different views of various issues and to present these for the government. Okay, so political party is a necessary in a large community. Clear? So in your class, there will be a class monitor, right? Yes or no? What is the responsibility of a class monitor? Huh? Karthik says something. What is that, Karthik? Speak. What is the responsibility of the class monitor? I lost connection. Come on, anyone? Class monitor, what he will
Monitor
do?
the class and
What will maintain in the class? Maintaining the law and order in the class. Huh? For someone doing any errors or mistakes means all of a sudden what will happen there? The monitor will run to the staff room and inform to the class teacher. Right? Yes or no? Yes or no? If you people want to speak something to the class teacher, basically you will inform that to the monitor, and through monitor the class teacher will come to know that what is going on in the class. Right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Or the monitor will stand in front of the board and will write the names of the students those who speaks in the class. Huh? Excluding the names of the friends, such kind of monitors also are there, right? It will lead to a number of fights in the classroom. Yes or no? Sean is laughing like anything. What happened, Sean? Are you the monitor of this class? Class C or class C? B? No. Is that Swadi? Who is your class monitor actually? Who is that? Class B? Not selected, right? Okay, because you are at home, so there is no possibility. In a class 8? In class 8, who was that?
it was monthly.
Who is that, Sherry?
So we changed the
We'll
monitor.
change annually. We'll change monthly.
Monthly.
Monthly will change. Okay. So nearly 10 people will get the chance, right? Okay, that's a good one. That's a good idea. 10 people will get the chance. Okay, fine. So that's it. Political party also like that only. The society will inform the problems of the society or different viewpoint of the people in that society to the political party leaders. Clear or not? And these leaders will convey this message to the government and government will take necessary actions. Clear? Clear or not? That's what a political party. Okay. So that's why a political party is important. Some ways to bring various representatives together so that a responsible government could be formed. They needed a mechanism to support or restrain the government, make policies, justify or oppose them. Political parties fulfill these needs that every representative government has. We can say that parties are the necessary condition for a democracy. Okay. Finally, we will come to a conclusion. To shape the public opinion, we want the political party. To oppose or support the government, we want the political party. Okay. To formulate rules and regulations, we want political party. Okay. To shape the public opinion, we want the political parties. Okay. To get access to the government programs and policies, we need political parties. Clear? Political parties basically representing the society, and informing the problems of the people in the society to the government. As per that, the government will take decisions. Clear? Is that clear or not? Okay. So there's a question. Okay, what is the necessity of a political party? I will send that answer. Okay, it's not that this much big. Okay, I will send the answer. Dear people, okay. So you can see some protest movements here. Okay, clear or not? Picture number 1. Okay, what is that? Picture number 1. BJP activists, Mahila Morcha. Okay, women wing of BJP, that is termed as Mahila Morcha, demonstrate against a hike in the prices of onion and LPG in Visakhapatnam. Clear. It is anyway before 2014. Why I told it is before? There is no years are mentioned here. Anyway, it is before 2014. Why I use that time? Where from I got this year?
Because BJP came power.
BJP government came into power in the year 2014. Anyway, this is the branch of BJP. Anyway, they will not come forward to protest or agitate when their party is in the center, right? Clear or not? They will not do that. So anyway, this is before 2014. So that time the price of LPG is nearly 450 rupees to 550 rupees in different places in India. Okay, but today it is nearly 1000 rupees. Clear? In 2021, the price of LPG that rose to 1000 rupees. Those days it is nearly 450 to 550. But today there is no BJP branches or BJP party or its branches in the sense supporting organizations like RSS. That is not a political party basically. Okay, now number of other branches are there for this party there. Okay, other wings are there. That people are not doing any protest movement. Why it is so? So it is their party at the center. Clear? So they are not interested to do that. Okay, that's why. Second one, minister distributes rupees 1 lakh check to the families of who victims at their houses. Okay, it's a hurricane, right? Okay, so that also. So he's distributing check. Okay, payments for the people. They faced a problem with a hurricane. Okay, in where basically I think that it is Visakhapatnam only. Sorry, not Visakhapatnam. Odisha, I think so. Okay. So activists of CPIM, CPI, OGP and GD, okay, S, name of the political party, clear, parties. Or the rally of Bhubaneswar to protest against POSCO, okay, a Korean steel company, for being permitted by the state government to export iron ore from Odisha to feed steel plants in China and Korea. So communist parties are protesting as a government because government give a chance to a Korean company to collect or export steel or iron ore from Odisha to the companies in China and Korea. Okay, so instead of using these things in our country, they are exporting that. So communist parties are protesting against that. So to shape the public opinion, we want a political party. To protest against the government, we want a political party, right? Clear or not? Clear or not? Or to help the people also, we need a political party to formulate programs and programs there. Oh, sorry, policies and programs. Okay. So how many parties should we have? That's another question for us. How many parties should we have? I already told you people, okay, there are more than 700 political parties are registered under the Election Commission of India. Number of political parties are registered already under the Election Commission of India. Okay, no number of cameras are off. Just started the screen sharing, people left. Maybe went for a breakfast. Don't know. Shifana, Dominic, Maria, Sriram. Okay. So Rachel George, after 1 or 2 weeks, what happened to you, Rachel? Where were you, Rachel George?
Sir,
where are you now, Rachel? Hello.
Sir, I had network issues.
Network issues. Okay. So fine. So come back. Now hereafter, if anybody is behaving indifferently or doing some other activities, I will pin them. Okay, so everyone can see them. Okay. I will use a spotlight on you people. Clear? If you are not listening to the class properly, instead of that doing some other activities, definitely I will pin you, will use a spotlight. Okay, so listen carefully, turn on your cameras. Many people I can see that they are sitting with a number of other objects there. Pen, pencil, okay. Engineering with the paper, okay. Paper boat making. It's raining outside, right? So paper boat, that's a good idea. After the class, it's run outside and you can play in the water. Karthik is already prepared thousands of such boats and kept with him, I think. Karthik? Yeah, yes. That's right. That's right. Is there, sir? Okay. Laying on the floor. After this class, I will go. Is that correct, Mr. Karthik? No. Okay. So, Elsa, what she observing there? Elsa is watering the plants, I think?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Let it be. So, come back, guys. Okay, how many parties should we have? I already told you that in India, we are following what kind of party system? Multi-party system. Okay, what is that? Multi-party system. Number of political parties are there. Number of political parties are there. Number of national parties, number of regional parties are there in our country. In each and every state, we are able to find numerous political parties. Numerous political parties. They are called to be the regional parties. Regional parties in that particular region. Clear? Clear? No nationwide acceptance for such parties. Okay, can you tell me any regional party in Kerala? Name one regional party in Kerala. Name any one regional party in Kerala first.
Congress.
LDF.
What is that?
Congress.
Congress, a regional party. Okay.
LDF.
Congress party is the party that brought independence for our country and is the national party that ruled the country for nearly 60 years. And Karthik says it's a regional party, it seems. Karthik?
I heard national.
Okay, fine. Let it be. Okay. So a regional party. Example first.
LDF.
No. LDF is a coalition, group of different political parties. Okay. Muslim League. Okay. Muslim League today. Okay. So we can say it's a regional party because there is no nationwide acceptance for that party. Okay, that party is in Kerala and some activities in West Bengal. Okay, in other states it is not visible, basically speaking. So IUML, Indian Union Muslim League. Okay, but it was a national party. It was okay, but today it lost its momentum or supporters. Okay, clear. We heard about Kerala Congress. Kerala Congress. The name says it's the regional party, right? Kerala Congress. Congress for the Kerala people. Okay. Basically, Kerala Congress is a party. There are a number of branches are there for that party. Okay, divisions are there. Kerala Congress A, Kerala Congress B, Kerala Congress C, Kerala Congress D. One leader, two people, one party. Okay, one leader, 2, 3 followers. Okay, that's what the party. Kerala Congress is there. A party is there. Basically, connected with Kottayam district. Okay, is the best place for this Kerala Congress. Okay, anyone from Kottayam here? Anybody? No one. Okay, let it be. Okay, so it's an example for a regional party. Okay, then Tamil Nadu, DMK and AIADMK. DMK and AIADMK. That also regional parties. Okay, that parties, we are unable to find these parties in other states. Clear or not? Okay. Dravida Muneta Kalagam and Anna Dravida Muneta Kalagam are the two parties. That's from Tamil Nadu. Number of other regional parties also are there. Film stars also started number of political parties in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Fan-based parties. Only film star and his fans will be there in that party. Clear or not? That kind of political parties also are there. Okay. Then, give you some example for national parties.
Congress.
Indian National Congress.
BJP.
Bharatiya Janata Party. Communist Party of India, Marxist. Okay. Our example for what parties? National parties. But some criteria are there to select a party as a national party, right? We will discuss that. Simply one cannot choose one party as a national party. We cannot say like that. Some criteria wanted to fulfill. Then only we can say that party is a national party. What happened, Dominic? Messi fan. Dominic, 10C. Dominic. Is he attending the class by disabling the audio? Dominic, are you there? Hello? Hello? It's now Dominic will call. Sagar Elias Jackie. Can you hear me? So now Dominic heard that. Dominic, the audio is clear for you. Hello? Yes. Okay, things are clear or not? Yes. Okay. Only actions are there. So he's action king, Suresh Gopi, right? Okay, only actions are there, Dominic, no voice. Now came, fantastic. Okay, broken. Okay, repair that, man. Okay, come back. So Dominic is okay now. Isha, what happened? Eyelids are drooping down? Huh?
No, sir.
You give a support like that. Why the support? The sleepy? Drowsy, right? Yes. Rayazi? Things are clear or not? So today we discuss about what is the necessity of a political party, right? That is connected with the functions of a political party, right? Okay. Then we discussed the picture, how the political parties are important in the society. Okay. To help the people, to shape the public opinion, to protest against the government. Clear? That's some of the functions. Some of the functions that depicted through the pictures. Clear? Clear or not? Agna, Ando, can you hear me? Hello? Name the filter that what you are using there. The filter, please. Name the filter, please. There is a 3D filter? No, no filter at all. Well, the video is not clear. Okay, let it be. Okay, fine. Come back, guys. Okay, so these things are clear for you, I think so. Okay, and it is important, I already told you that the people, those who participate in the essay writing competition, please send your entry. Okay, send your essays by today or at least by tomorrow morning, and prepare well for the test that comes for tomorrow, geography and history. Okay, so let me complete 2-3 paragraphs here. How many parties should we have? In a democracy, any group of citizens is free to form a political party. That's our political freedom. Okay. Clear or not? We can form a political party. Okay? Anybody? So what Fisan is showing there? I cannot see that, man. So keep something, some little bit back. Okay. Sir, test is easy, no. Sir, one word is there in test. Oh, that's it. Test is the easiness is related with you people. If you studied, it is easy. If it is not so hard. Okay. Clear or not? Options, no options are there. Okay, options are there. 2 options are there. If you know the answer, you can write it. If you don't know, you can leave it. That are the 2 options I can provide. Clear or not? 1 mark answers will be there. Definitely. MCQ is there. All right. Okay. So not MCQ, objective type 1. Right. Clear or not? Okay. So hereafter, don't ask any, what you can say, options are there or not. Okay. There are 2 options are there for all the examinations. Clear or not? I am not giving any other options. Okay. So just remember that. So come back, guys. Okay. So here I already told you that anybody in the country is free to form a political party. Clear? You can register that in the election commission. Example, tomorrow Gauri want to start a political party. Okay, Gauri can start it. But the thing is that she wanted to complete the age of 18 then only. Okay, so now it is not possible. Okay, she is a minor, so it is not possible. But after the age of 18, okay, all you people can do that. You can start a political party. Okay, with your family members is enough as the supporters, right? Not this needed. So everyone can start a political party. Sriram can start a political party. Sriram, she discussed something with his father or mother, I think. What is that, Sriram? Tomorrow you people are going to start a political party. Okay? No. No. Okay, let it be. Okay, so all you people are free to do that. Clear? Okay, come back. So in this formal sense, there are large number of political parties in each country. More than 750 parties are registered within the Election Commission of India. Clear? More than 750 political parties. But not all those parties are serious contenders in the election. But all these parties are not participating in the election there. Very few. Okay. Usually only a handful of parties are effectively in the race to win election and form the government. Only some parties are effectively participating in election. So the question then is, how many major or effective parties are good for a democracy? So there's a question for us. For the smooth functioning of democracy, how many political parties are necessary in a country? What is your answer? For the smooth functioning of a political party, democracy, how many political parties we want? For the smooth functioning of a democracy, how many political parties are necessary? Karthik says 2.
3 or 4.
Huh? Sriram, he gives some answer. Sriram, tell me.
Sir, 3 and above.
3 and above, okay. Then? That Fisan is coming with another note here. The test 10, no, 2020 man. Fizan, what do you want to know now?
10 parties. 10 parties. 10 parties.
Is it 20 mark question paper I already told
No,
me?
he
Okay.
said 10 parties.
10?
Parties.
10 parties. Okay, exactly 10. Okay, I cannot read that, man. I'm sorry. Okay, let it be. Okay, so 10 parties. That's what Fizan's. Okay, any other answers are there? Okay, come back. So all your answers are correct only. Clear or not? So there are different political conditions are there in different countries, right or not? Some countries are large. Okay, some countries tradition and culture. Clear? Related with that people will decide how many political parties want or not. Okay. So example, China, they are following democracy. But what type of democracy is that? Single party democracy. Only one party is there. Clear? Okay. America and UK, they are following a bi-party system. They are following bi-party, which means two parties are there in that country, as per Karthik. Okay. Coming to Sriram and Fizan, they told more than three. Okay, definitely. India is an example for that. Multi-party system. Number of political parties are there. We can see that nearly 750 parties are already registered. Clear? Under the election commission. Okay. So there are three political party systems are there in a democracy. One is single party system. The other one is bi-party system. Two parties. Okay. Single party, bi-party, multi-party. Okay. Clear? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will meet in the next session. Okay. So any doubts means you can ask me now. At the same time, it is very important to learn for the examination. I told you I want to enter those marks there. Okay. And after this test, I will allot to you the topics for the seminars. Okay. That also very important for us. Okay. Clear or not? So today we discussed about the functions of the political party. Okay. 7 are there, 7 in number. Learn those functions well. And what is the necessity of a political party? That is something related with the function only, right? Yes or no? Okay, some points are already underlined that. Learn that also. And the last question, it is how many political parties are necessary to perform or for the better performance of a democracy? Okay, how many political parties are necessary for the good performance of democracy? These are the questions. Okay, that's what we discussed today. So read the textbook thoroughly and learn for the test also. So we will meet tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you. Any doubts? Any questions? No. So Isha is happy. She's running somewhere. Okay, Isha, thank you. Thank you for your cooperation, actually.